No more hiccups. Once upon a time, in the middle of a mango forest, lived a very big elephant named Ellie. Ellie was not only big, she was boisterously big. When she walked, the trees shook. When she sneezed, coconuts fell. But Ellie had one tiny problem. She had gigantic hiccups. One evening, just as the sun dipped behind the banana hills, Ellie sipped her coconut smoothie a little too fast. Her hiccup made 3 monkeys fall out of their tree. "Whoa!" shouted Momo the monkey, holding his banana helmet. "That was an elephant quake." Ellie blushed. "Sorry." The jungle animals tried everything to cure her hiccups. Parrot Pablo sang upside down. The meerkats danced in a circle. And Hippo Harold told her to hold her breath and count to 11. Nothing worked. Finally, little Lulu the mouse tiptoed over and whispered, "Ellie, I have an idea." Lulu climbed on Ellie's trunk, tickled it with a feather, and yelled, "Boom! Hickaboom!" Ellie sneezed, hiccuped, and did a little hop all at once, and out flew a butterfly she'd accidentally swallowed at lunch. The hiccups were gone. Ellie looked surprised, then giggled so hard she made the ground giggle too. From that day on, Ellie sipped slowly and always checked for butterflies. And whenever someone in the jungle got the hiccups, everyone shouted, "Call the mouse!"